Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Cartoon Animator 5 officially and safely, step by step. No cracks, no third-party websites, only 100% genuine download from the official developer website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for Cartoon Animator 5 official download, or directly, link in description. Always use the official site to avoid fake or harmful software. Step 2. Click on Free Trial and Download. On the homepage, go to the Products section and select Cartoon Animator 5. Now click on Free Trial or Download. You'll be redirected to the official download page for Cartoon Animator 5. Step 3. Choose your system. Now select the correct version for your PC, Windows 10 and Windows 11 64-bit. Click on Download to start downloading the Cartoon Animator 5 setup file. The setup file size is usually 1 to 2 gigabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the installer will be saved on your computer. That's it! You've successfully downloaded Cartoon Animator 5 from the official and safe source. You can now open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.